I think everybody wanted to live in a castle as a kid, and so it's my version. And it's got a lot of great spaces utilizing the lake. It has a great kitchen area where everybody can gather. Basement is, I really feel is unbelievable because it's just a great party space. The dungeon, those jail cell doors. It's actually a storm cellar. It makes for great Halloween decorations. I think that the wine cellar and the dungeon and the back turret, you know, with the office up there and the rooftop party deck and the workout room all utilizes the lake really well. And then the front entrance hall is the front turret, which is magnificent too. It's the stonework in it and the front door are really cool. The lighting is really cool too at night. I can change the whole color of the house. It took me several months to draw this onto a scale drawing, and then I went over it with the builder for another 6 weeks, where we tweaked walls and moved this and that and fit mechanical equipment in it. It was fun drawing it.